Hello everyone, welcome to Forex Robo Trading. So today we are going to show our R307 account that how from $100 deposit the profit is almost made more than 1.5 million. So this is the Tickmill live account that we are showing, like whatever the trade history and everything. The current capital, it is 1 million US dollar, okay, and the total profit is made around $1.5 million plus. So I will show you the trade history and everything so that you can understand. It's not the one day journey that like completely we have made the profit and we are trading with a 60 lots. As you can see, we are first of all showing the day history. There are two trades taken and XAUSD. The lot size that you are seeing, that's the 60 lot. It's not a one day journey, as we said, that like a compounding lot size we are using, and it was initiated with a 0.01 lot size, and after that from a compounding profit we are increasing the lot size. This is the week history. As you can see, I will show you one by one so that you can understand the completely. You can see the profit and everything over here, the withdrawal and the current balance as per the month history. So it's almost about like developing a strategy. It's not like that like suddenly you will get the complete profit. Almost like we have lost a $1 million to teach the thousands of robot and get the fruitful result. It requires like very much dedication and like very patience it requires. Now you can see the month history. After that we'll be moving to the custom history, and we are not keeping the SL and TP. Why? Because we are following a trial SL method, and we are selecting here the custom history. Like due to a large number of trades, it's taking little bit time. Okay, here it is available. It's almost like about a 1.6 million dollars profit, and total withdrawal is made of $500,000. And as we have shown earlier, the current capital is almost $1 million. The account was initiated with $1,000, as I said earlier. And here the compounding lot size, what we talked about, we are showing here that how the lot size increased. You can see the number of trades. We are scrolling so that you can verify each trades. You can see the one lot is also there, after then 14 lot, and like till 16 lots it's traded. You can see this is where it initiated, and from a 0.01 lot size it was started, and you can see the balance as well. From $100 the account was initiated. We'll show you the live real account. You can just monitor the balance, the what how it was initiated, and you can see the Tickmill live account where we are applying our R307 robo strategy. I hope this video will be very much helpful to you to understand our strategy. If you find any further queries, you can ask in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.